Hello everyone, my name is Jillian. Okay guys, so for today's vlog, we're going to be doing our graduation party vlog. Today is Friday, so we're going to start prepping. We've been kind of prepping all week, little by little, but today we're actually going to do like more things. Like today we're going to do the centerpieces, I'm pretty sure. We're going to do the backdrop, like we're going to do like the whole backdrop, like background, like for pictures and stuff, so that we can just have that ready, because that's like the thing that always stresses us out, and we always do it the day of. So we're going to do it today just to have it ready, and tomorrow we can focus on cleaning, setting up tables and all like that. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. Also guys, Mr. Ozzy is here. He got here yesterday afternoon. So he's been here since yesterday, and he's here at the house currently. It's around 10:30-ish. I've been up since like 8, but I just finished getting ready. This is my little outfit. I have this skirt from Tik Tok shop. Don't look at my bed. This PARTYYY tank top, and then some black sandals. And I just put my hair up because my hair is super greasy, you guys. But I am gonna dye my hair with semi-permanent hair dye, not my roots, just like my ends, just so that my hair is brighter, because it is pretty faded and it looks like brown, more brown than like copper. So yes, let's go along our day. I'm just gonna be showing you guys what we're doing and stuff, but yes, graduation vlog. Okay guys, it is much later. I'm so sorry, I kept forgetting to vlog, but we ended up going to go get the food stuff for the party with my mom. Me and Osman went with her, so we got all the stuff for the food, and we came back, and then we left again to go pick up my car from the mechanic, because it's been at the mechanic all week. So we had to go pick it up because it was ready today. But now what we're working on the background. Melanie just finished one of the backgrounds. We have to do the balloons. Let me show you guys. This is the background that she made. She put the stickers on this tela. All right, and we're gonna do like a half arch like garland, but we're gonna do that tonight. We just want to have the background ready today. We want to have the background done today because we don't want to be stressing about it tomorrow. So that's what we're gonna do today. And then we also have like a mirror that we're gonna put decals on, and then we have to do the centerpieces. Melanie bought like wrappers for the water bottles, so we're gonna do that as well. So let me show you guys the progress. Okay, it's a little bit later, and Melanie finished up the mirror, and I made these little like lighted numbers. I'll show you guys once we get home. Sorry, I forgot to show you guys. I'm so sorry. But right now we're gonna go to fill up the gas tanks, like for the grill. And then we're gonna go to Dollar Tree as well, because we need batteries, and then containers for jello shots, because Salder and his friends are gonna make jello shots, I guess, I don't know. And then we're gonna go to Fry's as well to get cupcake liners, because Janice couldn't find any. So we're gonna go do that. We're gonna run some errands right now, so you guys are gonna come with us. So let's go. Guys, we came to fill up the gas tanks at first. She's right there. She's filling them up for us. We have 3, and then we're gonna go to Dollar Tree. Good morning, you guys. It's the next day. It's Saturday now. So sorry guys, I kept forgetting to vlog yesterday, but we're gonna continue vlogging today, and today is the party, guys. But it's about to be 10. But Mr. Osman is here already. We're making breakfast outside. My abuelito and my daughter right here. Janice is here. Janice is making cupcakes right now. Let me show you guys what we have for the breakfast. Okay, so my mom made some tocino. ¿Es longaniza? Sí. Longaniza, and then some like ham. Like turkey ham, guys. And then we made pancakes. My mom's making eggs right now. Alright, I think we're just gonna eat right now. We've been kind of cleaning. My dad and Osman have been cleaning the backyard, like organizing it. But once we're done eating, we're gonna start cleaning inside. I finished the garland yesterday, or actually I started the garland for the decoration yesterday, but I finished it today. I'll show you guys after we eat what we have, because I didn't show you guys good yesterday. But yeah guys, once we're done eating, we're gonna start cleaning the house, and then we're also gonna start preparing to cook and all that, because yeah, we weren't able to start prepping last night. Hey guys, here we are eating breakfast. Here's everybody. This girl finally woke up. Oh, plate finished. Anyways, we got some pancakes, some huevito, some tocino. There's my grandpa. Oh, it's adorable. Okay guys, we finished having breakfast. We picked up the table, but let me show you guys what we have so far. We have this mirror. So this is actually my mirror from my room, and we put some decals. We did this one crooked on accident because we were looking at the paper and not the letters. Oops. But yeah guys, this is like to take pictures, and obviously we wanted to put like our names, but the letters came too big for the mirror. Like the picture that Melanie looked, the mirror was like double the size of this. So it's okay, we didn't put our names, but it's okay. And then over here, this is the backdrop to take more pictures. This is what it looks like. Right here, it's like tela, like it goes in. And then these are like decals again that we put on here. We're gonna put balloons like half arch. So I made the garland last night and I finished it today, but it's like half the... We decided to do half an arch, not all the way, because we liked how that looked. And then right here we have the water bottles. We had Melanie ordered some these, what are these called, like stickers for the water bottles, so we put these. Okay guys, now we're gonna start cleaning the house. Oh, these are the centerpieces. Like. Oh, we got some dinner rolls for... Ma, diles qué vamos a hacer para la comida.
No.
Why not? Bruh. Okay guys, Janice is making cupcakes. Look at these big ass cupcakes. Girl! She's gonna shape them. You're gonna shape them up? Basically guys, we're gonna start cleaning the house so then we can start decorating, putting the tables out, the manteles and all that. We're probably not gonna put the tables out until like 3-ish. That's what my dad said. But let's start cleaning, girl. I probably won't show you guys us cleaning because it's like whatever. So I'll just talk to you guys once we're gonna start decorating good. Okay guys, it's a little bit later. We finished pretty much with all the food prep and like cooking and stuff, but we went ahead and put all the tables and the centerpieces. Let me show you guys what it looks like. This is the setup for the tables. I feel like it's super simple, but it looks so cute. So we put pictures from the photo shoot we had. This little centerpiece that Melanie made, it looks so freaking cute. But we have 3 different like pictures. Let me show you guys. This is the first one. Here's the second one. And then this is the third one. It looks so cute. That's how the centerpieces are looking. But here's where we're gonna have pictures taken. So I showed you guys this part. So we set it up right here in the back, so all the tables are right here, and then this is where we're gonna take pictures, and then the grupo is gonna be right here. And then I put these numbers together yesterday and they light up. Obviously they're not lit up right now, but we still have to put the half arch garland right now. I don't know which side we're gonna put it on. I think this side, but we'll see. We're not gonna put it yet because we don't want the balloons to pop with the bright ass sun. I think we're gonna wait on the balloons for that. And then we also, the mirror, Melanie's putting it over there. That's like the welcome mirror. But yeah, that's what we have so far. I'm gonna go take a shower right now because I'm sweaty, and then it's already gonna be 3, or it already is 3, and I want to start getting ready around 4, so we have enough time to get ready and then come out and finish everything up. I just finished doing my makeup and my hair, but I'm gonna go see outside the decorations because like I told you guys, we still have to do the garland, but I think I want to do it before I change. So let's go check on that. Okay guys, I am now ready. This is my outfit. If you guys didn't see my TikTok, go watch it right now. The grupo is here. My honey. But yes, you guys, we're just at the party. I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can for you, but I know it's really loud, so. Okay guys, first drink of the night. We're drinking a Jumex guava. Let's cheers with my baby. Baby, cheers.
Cheers. But like all the extra stuff is actually
supposed to drink it. Actually, I don't like this flavor. Okay guys, we're gonna eat now. We have some steak, pollo asado, camarones, papas, veggies, and a general. It's delicious. Okay, guys, they're taking Jello shots. It's my butt.
One.
Hey, whoa, what the fuck is going on here, bro? Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, 1, 2, ready? Go. Open up.
1, 2, 3.
Ew.
All right, go. Good one. Oh, God. You're good?
Oh, period.
Que yo por ti sentía, ¿a quién le darás todo lo que no me diste a mí? Por Pascua vine a buscarte, por Pascua de noche y compartamos juntos toda quien ella me llama.
Yeah, mira. Damn, that's right. Bebé. Come on. Let's go.
Uno era de Emilio Guerra, el prometido de Estela, el otro de Laura Garza. La maestra de la escuela. Sigue el alma. Pero ahorita sigo mi camino, si juré no volver yo contigo, como diablo iré a dar a ti. Soy un perro.
Wait. All the
Oh, okay, look. Osman.
What's your name?
Okay, look. Regular shot.
So like
Regular shot. This is Salvador's fucking shot.
If it's easier, Ezequiel. Mucho gusto. Okay.
Yeah.
That's your wife.
Okay, ready?
That's my friend.
Oh, I thought you said your wife, and I was like, oh.
I mean, that's
Okay.
Ready?
Cheers.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
One.
I'm sorry.
To the graduates.
A la verga.
Y báilale mi gente de Guerrero. A la gente de Chichén.
Okay, guys, it is now Sunday. We went to sleep like at 4 in the morning. But what time is it? It's about to be 3 and we just been chilling here at the house. Now we're gonna open our gifts that we got right here. So I'm gonna set you guys up.
This one from my tío
Aww. Look. Denise got us a
Oh, that's my car.
Hey, look, I got the right one. This is my name on it.
Let me get the gummies.
That's so cute. Thank you, Denise.
Y'all want some?
Oh my god, that's my favorite cookie.
Look, look at mine.
Probably, ellos ven tus videos.
Hey, the TikTok.
Oh my god.
would never fucking know. So dedicated to watch it. He gets up, he falls.
Oh my god, we're too guys. Okay.
Okay guys, this is editing me. I'm editing the vlog and I know the vlog is all over the place. I am so sorry, but I genuinely kept forgetting to vlog. Like, we were just doing shit all weekend and I kept forgetting to pick up the camera, so I am so sorry. On Sunday I ended up opening the presents and then we were just chilling at home. We did like a recalentado at the house, but my dad ended up doing carne asada because there was no food left over from the party. Guys, we literally drank all of the alcohol in the party. Like, they literally had to go get more alcohol. Like, all the bottles that we got for the party were gone, plus like bottles that we already had at the house that were like started already, those were gone as well. I think my mom said like in total like we drank like 9 like cartones of modelitos, the little ones, and we had twisted teas, we had modelos frescas, we had like, dude, gone, everything gone. All of us got drunk, all the adults got drunk. Like, it was a really good party. It was a really good party. But I decided to extend the vlog until Monday since it was like Memorial Day weekend as well. So what you guys are gonna see next is us going to the movies on Monday. I also didn't vlog too much there, but I did want to add it just to add a little bit more content for you guys. This is a bit of a shorter vlog, so I'm so sorry. Basically guys, here is the movies. We just got to Chick-fil-A. We're gonna eat. It's already 9 p.m. but we're gonna eat and then we're gonna meet up with our cousin. Christown is like 5 minutes away, so we're fine, I think. Let's get something to eat.
Hey, we don't need it, let's go.
Okay guys, we got our food. I ended up getting some nuggets, some fries, and the frosted lemonade. If you guys have not tried the frosted lemonade, go there.
Them or you, guys?
Mama said. Oh my god, be quiet. Okay guys, we're just gonna eat and then we're gonna go to the movies. Okay guys, we just got to the movies. Oh, did I tell you guys we're gonna watch Final Destination? So yeah, I brought my shake. Hopefully, I really hope they let us in with the shake because Melanie just got her shake right now. So yeah guys, let's go into the movies. We got into the theater. I just got a water and Janice. Let me show them Janice. We got an extra large popcorn and Janice got an icy. But we're gonna go into the movies right now. It's already 10, but the previews are on. The movie's supposed to start at 10, but you know, previews and all that. So we're gonna go in right now. So yes, guys, we got back from the movies. The movies was so good. Final Destination. I don't know if I told you guys if that's the movie we were watching, but we watched Final Destination Bloodlines. That shit was so good. I really liked it. I like all the Final Destination movies. But yeah, guys, we had a really good time with everybody. We ended up just coming home, chilling here for a little bit, and then we knocked out. Basically guys, that is gonna be the end of this vlog. Again, I'm sorry for such a short vlog, but next vlog is gonna be a New Mexico vlog because I don't know if I even mentioned it to you guys, but my abuelito did come for our graduation party and he's staying here for like 2-ish weeks. So, and we like to take him out somewhere whenever he comes. The last years that he's come, we usually go to California, but this year we decided to go to New Mexico because there's like a santuario type thing. I don't remember the exact name, but you guys will see everything in the next vlog, so stay tuned. I also want to thank you guys for all the congratulations, not only to me but to my family and my sisters. Thank you guys so much for your support. It literally does not go unseen. I know sometimes me and Melanie lag a little bit on responding to you guys, but I just want you guys to know we love you guys and you guys are our girls. We love you guys so much. Again, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.